Krishna wanted to know what is the glories, the mahima, the glories, the exaltation of Radharani's pranaya. That intense love that she has. It's like pran. We have pranayam. Everyone knows this pranayam. So pranaya, sneha, man, pranaya, rag, anurag, bhav, mahabhav. It goes like this, different levels of love. Sneha, man, pranaya. Pranaya is an intensity where your very essence of your being, the very essence of your life existence is within the heart of your beloved. Your pran. Your pran is their pran. You're more prananath. More prananath. We say, you are my prananath. You are the Lord of my pran. Pran means my very existence, my very life breath, the existence of my life. What is the glory of this love of Radharani? Then swadyo yin adbhuta madhurima. Adbhut madhuri. Same as Hindi. Adbhut means wonderful, amazing, sweetness. Swad. I want to taste the sweetness of Radharani's love. What sweetness in me that she's tasting by her love. Like when husband's with his wife, he's experiencing some sweetness or some happiness. But the sweetness of my wife I'm enjoying, I'm relishing. But what sweetness in me is she relishing? So this is mystifying to Krishna. What is that she's loving me and serving me, and I want to swadyo adbhuta madhurima. I want to taste that inconceivable. I can't conceive it. I can't understand. And then what's the third reason? Sokyam chasyamad anubhav. And the sokyam, the sukh, the happiness that Radharani, the happiness and the anubhav. Anubhav means the different expressions of happiness. I see that when Radharani is serving me, and she's pleasing me and totally dedicated to my service and pleasure, I see that tears are coming from her eyes. Tears of joy, of bliss. I see that her hair is standing on end. Different anubhavas. And she's trembling. She's experiencing these different anubhavas, or anubhav, these expressions of love. But my hair is not standing on end, and I'm on the receiving end. And tears of ecstasy are not falling from my eyes. What is this? I'm the enjoyer, I'm the central enjoyer, I'm the object of her love, I'm the receiver of all her love. So these three reasons that Krishna came. Because how much happiness Radharani's experiencing by serving me. Thousands of times more happiness than I'm experienced by being served. This is not possible to conceive in the material world. If you're the boss, you're the enjoyer, you can't conceive. Actually, my peon is enjoying more than me. My servant is enjoying more than me. We can't think that, because it's not true, it's not possible. Because he's not surrendered to you. He's only serving you because of pay, money. The Radharani is not getting paid anything. There's no formal relationship. The relationship is only based on love. So it's simply the free flow of love, the free expression of love between Radha and Krishna. So this is the day that celebrates that, this wonderful love of Radharani that Krishna came, and he's trying to understand that. And then he's distributing it. He's distributing it to others, to everyone. Namo Mahavadanyaya, Krishna Prema Pradayate, Krishnaya Krishna Chaitanya, Namne Gorajvase Namaha.